welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for stewed chicken foot or chicken foot stew. This is actually a subscriber request, but before we get started, I just wanted to make this super clear. I am well aware that everyone don't eat or like chicken foot, and that's totally fine. But please do not come in my comments being rude, obnoxious, or negative. You need to be respectful of other people's preferences. There's many things I don't like. You know what I do? Scroll past it. No need for the negativity and the rudeness. This is probably not the video for you if you don't like chicken foot. With that being said, let's get into the recipe. Here I have my chicken foot already well seasoned, and I'll show you guys how I did it in just a minute. I have some bell peppers, onions, some thyme, scallions, parsley. I'll be using some potatoes and carrots. I have some diced tomatoes, minced garlic. I have chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, mushroom seasoning, some habanero peppers and chili peppers. I'll be using some cassareep. So let's rewind back to how I prepped and seasoned my chicken foot. First, I washed it up in some lemon juice and vinegar, and they usually come with the nails on. You want to cut that off before you get started. And here I'll be using some of my guyanese cassareep. It's usually found on Amazon. If you don't have this, you can use browning or whatever brown sauce you have on hand. I also have some fresh green seasoning. I'll be using chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, poultry seasoning, Cajun seasoning, some black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Basically, you just add all of the ingredients to the chicken foot, mix really well, and set aside to marinate for about 2 hours. Today I'll be using my Instant Pot to pressure my chicken foot first before I start the actual recipe. I hardly would cook my chicken foot without pressuring it. That's just my way. That's how I like to cook my chicken foot. I would usually pressure it for about 15 minutes, and then I would proceed with the next step. I will add a little water to help with the pressuring process, and yeah, that's it. If you have an Instant Pot, it should take you about 15 minutes. We don't want them super soft, just nice and tender. So a preheated pot, I did add some oil, and now I will go in with a little bit of butter. Allow the butter to melt, then we'll add our onions, bell peppers, the garlic, and our herbs. We'll mix until well combined and allow to go for about 3 minutes. Next, we'll add our diced tomatoes, give it a good mix, and allow that to go for about 2 minutes. At this point, we'll now go in with our pressure chicken foot along with the juices. We'll give it a good mix, and we'll also add some of that cassareep to add a richer and brighter color to the dish. We will also go in with our seasonings to add flavor and taste. Then we'll cover and allow this to simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes, just allowing all the ingredients to come together and become well incorporated before we add our potatoes. Next, you want to add your potatoes and carrots as well as the thyme and the peppers. We'll give it a good stir, cover, and allow it to simmer until the carrots and potatoes are nice and tender and the gravy is a bit more thicker. And this is it, guys. Our chicken foot stew is finally done. Now we will garnish with some fresh green onions, and that's it. This is so delicious. If you're a chicken foot fan, trust me, you will enjoy this. Now I will turn the heat off and get ready to plate up. So I did serve this up with some rice and peas and a fresh coleslaw. And trust me, it was mouth-watering delicious. The absolute best chicken foot stew you will ever try. It was so flavorful, so delicious. The stew was everything. And the chicken foot was the perfect texture for me. Now, if you like your chicken foot a bit more soft, you can pressure it for a longer period of time. But this was just perfect. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be sharing all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.